All right, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your WordPress website. This is a pretty simple process. So we have a website right here. This has been just put together. It's just template, basic website, right? And we want to revert it back to the WordPress default. So first thing you're going to do is you are going to log in to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my username and password. Whoopsies. Let's do this. All right, we'll give it just 1 second here, and then we are brought in to the WordPress dashboard. You're going to go over to plugins. You're going to click add new plugin. I know you're wondering, why are we adding a plugin? I'm trying to reset the website. Well, there's a simple reason for this. I'm going to show you exactly what plugin we need. We need a plugin called WP Reset. This plugin makes the reset process very, very simple. So we're going to load this in. All right, so the tool that we need is this first one right here, WP Reset, Most Advanced WordPress Reset Tool. We're just going to click Install Now, and then that's going to install to the website. We'll give it just a second here. Once again, the server it's actually my local server, and my computer is struggling right now, so. All right, cool. So this is installed. You're just going to click activate right here, and then this should activate the plugin. And I'll give it just a moment here once again for it to load in. All right, so the plugin is activated and is probably working just fine. So we'll go in, and you can see down here you have WP Reset. And we have this button right here on the plugins page to open WP Reset tool. The other thing you can do is you can go to Tools on the left side and just click on WP Reset. You can go to either link. Both of them are going to be fine for this. So we're going to load this up. All right, so when this page loads, you're going to see this paywall here. You can just click anywhere, and it should go away just like that. You can upgrade it to the Pro tool. It does make the process a little bit easier, but you'll see exactly what I mean here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to Site Reset, and we are just going to type in Reset right into this box, and then we are going to reset the site. So I'm not taking a snapshot of this website. I don't need this website. It's completely dead to me, and it's time to restart this from the ground up. So you can take a backup, right? So once we get to this part right here, you can see that once this reset is done, we're back to more of a vanilla instance of WordPress, right? So if I go over into the appearance, if I go over to themes, we are back on the 2024 theme right here. And then all of our plugins over here have been reset, basically. They've been disabled. So if you have the Pro version, you can have it automatically just delete everything, but we can delete these manually as well. There's nothing stopping us from doing that. So we just click delete, hit OK, and then it's going to go through. It's going to delete everything, clean that out. And then there's a few other things you're going to want to clean out. So if we go to all pages, we actually don't have any pages here, so that's good. If we go to media library, the media library appears to have been cleaned out as well. So if we go back to the home page, we are reset now with basically an entire page. Now, it's super simple. Like, it's a super simple process. I'll put the link to the plugin in the description of this video. I hope this helps someone out. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. My name's Cameron, and we'll catch you in the next one.